In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Google Drive using Zapier, a fantastic tool for automating tasks between web apps. This integration will streamline your workflow, saving you time and effort. So, let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, we'll need to head over to Zapier. Open your web browser and navigate to Zapier's homepage. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that allows different applications to communicate with each other seamlessly. Having a Zapier account is crucial for setting up the integration between Gmail and Google Drive, so if you don't have one, you should create a free account. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page and locate the Create button. Click on it to begin creating a new Zap. Zaps are what Zapier calls their automated workflows, and this one will handle our integration needs. After clicking Create, the system might guide you to a new interface, often called the Zap Editor. Here you'll see a section labeled Zaps. Click on it to start building your automation workflow. In this segment, you'll be prompted with various options. Look for an area that allows you to type, which usually appears as a message box. In this box, type in Connect Google Drive and Gmail. This input guides Zapier to understand exactly what kind of integration you're aiming to achieve. Now you'll see an option to add all steps to Zap. Selecting this will save you some work, as it automatically picks the necessary steps required to connect Gmail to Google Drive. If needed, take a moment to scan the steps it's adding to ensure they align with your objectives. Following that, we need to determine a trigger event, essentially the action that will set this integration into motion. You'll find a list of potential triggers. Choose the one that best matches what you want to accomplish. Say for instance, having a new email trigger a certain action in Drive. Clicking this choice will set it as your trigger. To proceed, you'll need to sign into your accounts. At this point, Zapier will prompt you to sign into either your Gmail or Google Drive account for authentication purposes. Ensure you grant Zapier the necessary permissions to access these apps. This is a crucial step for the integration to function correctly. Once logged in, look for the test button. Clicking this helps verify that your integration setup is functioning as expected. Testing ensures that each part of your Zap works correctly and will trigger the desired actions in real time. After successful testing, click on Gmail to specify further details about how the app should interact with Drive. This is when you'll want to be clear about the actions your Zap should execute. Finally, we wrap things up by selecting an action event, which refers to the task Gmail will perform in Google Drive. Re-authenticate if prompted, and then test this section as well. If everything is in order, you'll click Publish to make your Zap active. And there you go, a seamless integration between Gmail and Google Drive, making your workflow more efficient.